It's May 2026 and I'm going back to Maui, about 3 years after the tragic fires of Lahaina. I paid a brief visit to the area last year, staying at Kanapali a few miles north of Lahaina, and found things quite a bit subdued compared to before. Of course, I didn't go into Lahaina at all, which remains closed to non-residents. This time I'm staying in Kihei, the southeast part of the island. As you can imagine, there are fewer crowds and fewer events around town, but I managed to make a visit to the Maui Ocean Center. Before we go there, I just want to call your attention to the brown haze that can be seen cloaking the distant West Maui mountains. That haze is called VOG, or volcanic sulfur smog, from the repeated eruptions of the Big Island volcanoes, which from this view are behind us. And though you can hear people coughing a little more than usual, and eyes are a little redder, there's still a lot of cheer and charm to see. So here